So the stupid head cam doesn't work. So gonna do the old-fashioned way with my cell phone. So I'm gonna have to cut right there somewhere. When we replace this copper pipe with the PEX, I need to split the functions. Right now they're all joined together. I need to split them. That one's going up. So splits. Then come to this room. That one going up. Splits over there. And the 3 water tanks. Right now they're all joined together, so the supply is going to be split to separate them out. So water main shut off already. It's all drained. Yeah, and it has finished draining. So there's splits there, manifold. Alright, let's get it started. Look at this. I got all the water drained off, and it's still, when I cut into the hot pipe, it's still dripping. Okay, so let's cut the 3/4 pipe so I could get it out of the way. I need to cut that pipe right there so I could put my adapter on. Okay, so I got these pipes cut. I'm gonna prep them and put on the adapters. So I brought my action cam today, trying to record everything with my action cam, but there's something wrong with it. And I disconnect from my phone like every few minutes, so I can't even take shots. So it means I have to do everything with one hand or do it 2 hands and no footage. So now because I have to do all this, so I just do things with 2 hands, no footage. So I'll get the pieces together. Whenever I finish, I'll give it a shot. Okay, so adapter's on. Let's get it soldered. Okay, adapter solder on. Gonna use a wet rag, help cooling it down a little bit further, well, a little bit faster. Also remove any flux. You see the wood that's wet? They're wet because I sprayed them with water first. You know, you don't want to risk burning them up, causing a fire. It's just way too close, so I have to keep them wet. Alright. Okay, got these two modified. Adapters on, PEX on. Adapter, PEX. This is a reducer T. So 3/4 with a 1/2 inch T up. Alright, so let's continue the rest. Okay, so next one. Gonna cut. Place this one and this one. Okay, that's a hot, that's a cold. Okay, got these pipes cut. Centered. Gonna put the fitting on or adapter on and get it soldered. Okay, so this section is connected. The cold T and the hot PEX. Okay, that's good. let's go to the next section. Okay, so now I'm gonna replace some of these sections. That way all these water lines will be separated. Got a PEX, some of the PEX running here already, so let's start cutting the pipe, solder on the adapters and put the PEX on. Okay, all the adapters soldered on with one new valve. Plus the adapter, it was a short right, took it out, soldered a new one on. So adapter, let's get the PEX on. Okay, all the PEX are connected. Cold coming in, hot going out. Some elbow support, which is it's not the best. Elbow support doesn't work very good. Okay, so let's go connect up the main water and turn all this back on. Okay, so the main line is installed. So let's shut off this valve. Open up these valves and let's go check for leaks. Okay, so I'm gonna open this one a little bit. Make sure these valves are holding. These main valves are holding. I have to double check. So that's slowly opened. Open all the way. Okay, so these main valve and main valves are holding. Alright, so let's open up this new valve, the new line, just slightly. So just a little bit for now, checking for leaks. Okay, so let's check all the connections. The coal has no leak. Nothing on hot yet. Cold, hot. Okay, so it's not fully open yet. Hopefully there's nothing. I'll spend a few hours, I'm hungry. Okay, so check these connections here. The main connection coming in, this T. The end connection, that's a elbow for the reducer. Oh, you can see the water. Woohoo! Look! It doesn't show on camera though. I can see the water through the PEX. So coming in, going out, going out. Okay, so far nothing yet. I haven't connected this one yet. Okay, that's a separate line. The line's here. That's separate line. So okay, I'm gonna open up the. Let's open up the valve fully. Okay, so water is fully opened and there's no leaks, so that's good. Now it's gonna be lunchtime. Yeah, it took like 5 hours to do this thing. So the main running over. there's the first tee that go up to the upper floors, and then the hot water coming back this way, upper floor, continues over. The second tee that goes to the upper floor, and the second hot water that goes up. And here's the main that's coming to the hot water tanks into a half-inch reducer, and then also half-inch reducer, elbow of a half-inch reducer, half-inch hot water out, half-inch hot water out. Right. Ah, that's a mess. Look at all this crap that I took up. All the pipings, black pipings and copper pipe, just so I could work on it. And all the old copper pipes, I'm gonna have to, after my lunch, I'm gonna start taking those things apart. Because now the service line's in, I could slowly take my time and take out all the old coppers. And many of them they're like corroded. That's the reason I have to do this. Okay, let's go for lunch. Alright, so I know the run doesn't look very good. It's like running here and there. The pipe doesn't run very good. But you know what? I have no choice because I have to do this. I have to minimize the downtime for the tenants. So I have to run the pipes while everything's still connected. So very little room. And then I only have very little time to cut the pipes once I'm ready, cut, and then connect everything as soon as possible to minimize the downtime. So this took me about 5 hours. And now they have all the waters up and running. Now I will spend my time to take out all the old copper, all the other fasteners, whatever in the way, the old junk stuff that's not used anymore. I will take them off. Now everything's up. So if I have the time, of course, preferably, you shut all the water off, remove everything, then you make a really clean run. But that means it's not gonna be a 5-hour job. It's gonna be 2 days, maybe 2 days. Yeah, I would say probably about 2 days or 3 days. For 5 hours, it's possible. Not the best, but you make do with what you have. Alright, guys. Uponor Pex. Woohoo!